This is Joan of Art, and I have got a little surprise, and this is a parfum. Oh, the parfum. I got it from Hunger as a surprise, last minute surprise. Let me see if I can smell this. Simhot in Ilonggo. Oh, yeah, simhot. Huh? And if it's fragrant, hamot. Simhuti ang hamot. Ah, you're so fragrant. Hamot. 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 A perfume in Ilonggo is called PAHAMOT because it's a liquid that makes you smell good, smells fragrant.
Let's hope so. You don't know.
The perfume is PAHAMOT. Another surprise. Isa pa ka PAHAMOT. Another surprise. Oh my goodness. Smell this.
Well, now it's a mix. Can I smell the other one again?
Yes, of course, of course. Wow! And I have a bigger version of this. See? A cute one. Gamay and dako. Gamay, small, and dako, big. Gamay kag dako. Ah!
Let me smell the other one, please.
Which one? Which one?
The one that you put on.
Ah, so they're different. Oh, look. I love them. They're so cute.
No, new.
Simhot, simhot.
Yeah.
Simhot, simhot.
It's not as elegant as the others, I think that one's better.
But I have that one already.
Yeah, so you know what it smells.
Yeah.
And I think that's all.
Yes,
It smells good.
This one and this, the dark ones are always smell really dark, elegant. It's this creepy kind of smell. So the Narciso Rodriguez. Pahamot! Damo! Naku, pahamot. This, and another Narciso, this, and I have a, how do you pronounce this?
Abercrombie and Fitch.
Abercrombie.
Abercrombie.
Oh, Aber. Why do I always pronounce this
Yes.
amber? It's because there's an M, another M somewhere. So, Abercrombie and Fitch. Who are they? Who are these people? So I also like
I think fashion designers.
fashion designers.
As far as I remember from the States.
Oh. So I also love this. I was smelling myself. This was what I wore today. I wore this today and hamot. It's so, I don't know, it's like a veil of fragrance all over you.
I didn't know you had so many.
You have some, look, there's a magnet there.
The bottle has actually cotton label or
Yes.
something. Wow, cotton label stuck glued on.
Abercrombie, and so I have a lot. There's also Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc. I have this maybe 2 years ago. So the Bea tried to steal this from me. She took this with her. She took this with her to Manila. And I told her, you gotta return that. Olga is coming. Return that to me. I didn't know she took it. She likes it.
Now you got so many, I wouldn't even know what's missing. Not that I care, really.
So this is a Mont Blanc.
I can't remember the
So
smell.
that's the reason why I had to give her one.
So that's
So
the top.
she
And
doesn't
that's
steal my
the top.
perfume. At least when I gave her one, at least I have another one. If she steals one of my perfume, she steals the
I
one
have
with
to
the
buy always
double.
two.
Yes.
But it's funny that this is the top yet. You have to place it.
Yes, yes. So I don't know.
Actually, gold.
It has to be.
Oh, it's
Yep. So these are the pahamot. For this series, this is Joan of Arc, and with my pahamot. This is Joan of Arc with a lot of my pahamot. Hamot.
I'm the pahamotist.
The pahamotist. The pahamotor.